Hello everyone and welcome back to Future Tech 01. Today we are going to explore a very useful technology device, the NV Tracker GPS tracker and monitoring device. If you have ever wondered how bicycles, valuable equipment or other monitoring associates can be tracked and monitored, this small device is a great example of how GPS and mobile communication technology work together. So in this video, we will understand that an NV tracker is what is inside it, how the SIM card is used, the 4 wires cables in for where this device can be used, how monitoring works, and what we should check before installation. Now let's get started. What is an NV tracker? An NV tracker is a GPS-based tracking and monitoring device. Its main purpose is to determine the location of the device and send tracking information through a mobile network. The device normally works with their important technologies: GPS, a SIM card, and an electronics control system. GPS helps the device determine its location. The SIM card allows the tracker to communicate through the mobile network depending on the features and network supported by the particular model. And the internal electronic system processes the information and communicates with the tracking platform or applications. This means the device can become a communicate between a physical bicycle or asset and digital monitoring system. What comes inside the device? Now let's look at the important part. The first major component is the GPS tracker unit itself. Inside the tracker, there is electronic circuit that handles location, information and communications. The second important part is the SIM card. The SIM card is used for mobile network communications depending on the model and service. It may be used to transmit tracking data to a server or monitoring platforms. The third important part is the cable or NV tracker has a cable with 4 wires, black wires, red, orange and yellow. But remember, wire colors are not always universal access every GPS tracker model. So never connect a wire only by guessing its color. Always check the label, wire diagram or official manual of your exact NV tracker model before giving power or making any connections. This is especially important because an incorrect connection can damage electronics equipment. How does GPS tracking actually work? Now let's understand the basic working principle. When the tracker is powered on, the GPS system communicates with GPS satellites and calculate its Google graphical position. The tracker then use the mobile network through its SIM card to send relevant information to the tracking systems. The monitoring platform can display information such as the device location and depending on the model and software other available tracking information. So the complete process is something like this. GPS satellite provide positioning information. The tracker processes that information. The SIM card provides mobile communications and the monitoring platform receives and displays the data. This is how a small electronics device can connect the physical world with a digital map. Where can an NV tracker be used? GPS trackers can be useful in many situations. For example, they can be installed in car, commercial bicycle, delivery bicycles, transport bicycle, company flats and other assets. Depending on the specific model and its intended use, businesses can use tracking technologies to monitoring their fleet and understand where their vehicles are for logistics and transportation location. Information can help with fleet coordination and route monitoring. For personal bicycles owner, a suitable tracking can provide an additional layer of visibility over their one bicycles. Trackers can also be useful for equipment and associates work where knowing their location is important. However, the exact features depend on the tracker's model, SIM service, tracking platform, and software. What about the 4 wires? Now let's talk about the cable. Our NV tracker has 4 wires: black, red, orange, and yellow. These wires may have different functions depending on the exact NV tracker model. For example, a tracker cable may include power ground or another monitoring control connections. But I want to make one things very clearly. Do not assume the particular color always means the same things of every GPS tracker. Different manufacturers and models can use different wiring standards. So, before connecting anything, check the official wiring diagrams or the makers provide with your devices. Finally, uh, Future Tech 01 introduction. And if you enjoy practical technology, electronics, Arduino projects, motors, sensor, GPS devices testing, and interesting gadgets, you are at the night place. This is Future Tech 01 where we don't just talk about technology, we explore its text and understand how it's actually work. So subscribe to Future Tech 01, turn on the notification bell. Turn on the notification. We will stay connected with the for more practical technologies videos. Keep learning, keep testing, and keep exploring technology with Future Tech 01. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.